How to make the creamiest Bailey's iced coffee, easy recipe. Hey there, coffee lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special treat for you. We're going to show you how to make a delicious and refreshing drink that combines the rich flavors of coffee and the smoothness of Bailey's Irish cream. Get ready for the ultimate Bailey's iced coffee. Ingredients: 1 cup of strong brewed coffee, cooled. 1/4 cup Bailey's Irish cream. 1/4 cup milk or cream. 1 tablespoon chocolate syrup, optional. Ice cubes. Whipped cream, for garnish. Cocoa powder or chocolate shavings, for garnish. Instructions. Do you want something that truly stands out and captures the essence of the spooky season? Well, look no further. Introducing the Halloween coffee cup, will send shivers down your spine and leave you craving for more. Prepare to be enchanted by the captivating gothic girl who effortlessly blends magic, mystery, and coffee into a spine-tingling experience. Watch as the girl, with her striking red eyes, sips her favorite hot beverage, transporting you to a realm where darkness meets beauty. Feel the goosebumps rise on your skin as you witness the enchanting contrast between her dark attire and the vibrant nature surrounding her. Experience the perfect blend of happiness and Halloween vibes, as you join our gothic girl on a journey through the eerie ambiance of the season. Let the lush green grass and the mysterious atmosphere cast their spell on you, leaving you mesmerized and craving for more. Link in description: https://tinyurl.com/HalloweenCup2023. Brew a cup of strong coffee and allow it to cool completely. You can also prepare the coffee ahead of time and refrigerate it until you're ready to make the Bailey's iced coffee. Once the coffee has cooled, pour it into a glass or a mason jar filled with ice cubes. Add the Bailey's Irish cream to the glass, followed by the milk or cream. Stir well to combine all the ingredients. If you prefer a touch of chocolate flavor, drizzle the chocolate syrup into the glass and give it another stir. Garnish the drink with a dollop of whipped cream on top. You can use a spoon to gently float the cream on the surface of the coffee. Sprinkle some cocoa powder or chocolate shavings over the whipped cream for an extra touch of decadence. Serve immediately and enjoy your homemade Bailey's iced coffee. And there you have it, folks. A fantastic recipe for Bailey's iced coffee that's perfect for those hot summer days or whenever you're in need of a delightful pick-me-up. We hope you enjoyed this video and give this recipe a try. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest coffee creations. Cheers to good coffee and good times. Free ebook: Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol, worth $5.99. Link to description: https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.